Good morning, welcome to SCADA World YouTube channel, and today I have one similar questions from my students. How to go with the computer? Do I need to start the SCADA programming? I tried to answer these questions on our group, but let's say I tried to make the video for this. So the question is, what kind of computer do I need to start the SCADA programming? I would say we need any computer to start SCADA programming. So basically the computer, mostly the laptop, normal laptop, and this laptop should have some minimum requirements. So we need to have something like RAM. This RAM should be for our SCADA. For example, for the WinCC, we need about 8 GB as a minimum. If you work with more than one SCADA, so you work with the SCADA and the PLC, so I recommend for you the 16 gigabytes or 32. It's up to you how much money do you have, but the 8 is the minimum. This is the minimum. The next point do we need is the processor. So the processor inside our computer should be minimum i5 Intel, and I think if you go with 10th or 9th version of our i5, it's enough to make any SCADA and the PLC programming. The next point is the disk, because we need to save some data. I recommend for you the SSD, because you need to have the fast disk for your system, and minimum is 256 GB. So this is the minimum. Of course, if you have more money, you can go to 500 giga or some more. Okay, so this is the basics. So if you have the computer, the laptop or the stationary computer with 8 giga, the processor i5, maybe i3 should be enough, but let's say i5 is recommended from me. The disk SSD is 256. You have enough to start. The additional things is for example, the VMware. If you don't want to have for example, the SCADA, the PLC software on your office, on your operation system, and for example, the Hyper-V, if you don't like the VMware. So this is the virtualization. What do you need more? And the software. The software to configure the SCADA and the PLC and the HMI. So this is the basics. This kind of computer is enough to go forward with our SCADA programming, and you can make yourself better and try to find a better job. I hope you like this kind of video. This is the small questions answer video. Give me info in the comments. Let me know what kind of questions do you have, and see you in next videos. Bye.